Alright, how's it going, guys? Hope you're all doing well. Today, I thought we'd have just a little bit of a chill vlog, seeing as we have a pretty intensive project coming up soon. And so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a taster of that in today's video. If you look over here, oh, that's so heavy. And something fell out. I have a lot of boxes. I don't know exactly how many, but there's a good amount. First things first, I already unboxed this one because it came before the rest. A motherboard. That should probably give you a clue what this is. Gotta say though, some parts haven't arrived yet, namely the CPU and the GPU, so it's kind of like a body without a brain and a heart. Anyway, so yeah, I have talked about this on Twitter briefly, but I'm going to be building a new gaming PC soon. So I mentioned before, I know I did want to get an M1 MacBook Pro, and I still probably will, but later on this year, they are unveiling some brand new ones that are going to be replacing the 16-inch, which is probably what I'm going to be waiting for. By the way, this isn't replacing my iMac, by the way. I don't edit on PCs. This is for all you guys calling me an Apple fanboy. See, I've been using PCs before I'd even used a Mac. This is actually not even the first gaming PC build I've done in my life. I've studied computer science for 4 years, so I've built 20 PCs, even though most of them are they were all ancient 2000s parts that were just lying around my computer lab. Anyway, this is the power supply that smells weird. It's kind of that smells really weird. I don't know what it is. It kind of smells like a bike shop, if you know what I mean. Up next, we have the one I previously opened, which is this stick of Kingston HyperX Fury RAM. I actually already have another identical stick of this, so I just bought another to beef it up to 16 gigs. Once again, this is going to be strictly a gaming PC, just for a fun little project. I just thought it'd be fun to start off the year with a nice little project. Yeah, this is the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapter, so that's going to be handy. I have no idea if it's gonna work. And finally, and one of my personal favorite parts of PC building, we have the case. Now, if you know me or you've ever by any chance seen one of my old PC building videos, you might know that I personally love cases. Cases are one of my personal favorite things about custom PC building. It's just a lot of fun. Most of the time I actually use fractal design cases. However, this time, this case from Corsair just caught my eye. Oh, yeah. Got a little peek of it already. It looks great. Wow. Okay, I was originally going to go for another micro ATX build, but after seeing this case, it's just so nice. Let's see if we can get this thing out of the box. There's an air seal in there. There we go. So here we have it. This is the Corsair 275R Airflow, I think it was. As I said before, a lot of my friends are also into this stuff, so they kind of help me pick up the parts. And yeah, it's awesome to be building another one of these things. I really enjoy doing it. There's so many boxes in my house. I'm gonna have to, I don't even know if the recycling center's open. I'm gonna have to spend hours crushing these boxes. You guys ready for this? That is significantly tighter than I remember. Look at that. You know what, actually, I think I kind of liked it better how it was before. There we go. Yeah, I think I kind of prefer that. Obviously not. Obviously I'm joking. Don't dislike the video. See, I do love tempered glass, but it does just make the whole case that much heavier. Man, what do you guys think? Do you guys miss the days of acrylic? Because tempered glass does just look gorgeous, but if you dropped your side panel on the floor, it didn't smash into a billion pieces. I am definitely looking forward to this. As I said though, not all the parts have arrived yet. I actually bought the GPU off eBay because it's going to be acting as a holdover card until the RTX 3060s come back into stock. But the CPU should be here on Wednesday, so I'll probably put most of it together then. Then, I think either on Thursday or Friday, I'll just put the GPU in. Alright, let's go do something else now. I've got to clean up this floor. There's so much stuff. Maybe if I time-lapse it, it'll be more fun. I really want to get started on this PC build. In fact, in the time I've been filming this vlog, pretty much all of the parts have arrived and I've already started filming the build. So yeah, look forward to that. In fact, I recorded a load of it on this, which I have just added to my video arsenal. This is what's known as an Atomos Ninja. So it essentially takes the signal from this camera in a higher quality than it can do internally. So this does 8-bit and this does 10-bit, which is nice. It also makes filming just so much easier. The file files are easier to edit. Yeah, very glad I got this, but the file sizes are massive, so that PC build kinda took up a lot of space. Records to these SD looking things. I think at this point I've got like 40 gigs of PC build footage on this thing. There's certainly a lot. Anyway guys, that's it for now. As always, thank you for watching. Remember to like the video if you want to see more content like this, then smash that subscribe button. I'm done for now, and I will see you guys in the next one.